started here.
All right, guys. Straight off the dyno, straight to the track. He says he's satisfied, so we're going to put the 702 in an 8th mile, make some test passes. And hopefully, it's going to stay together. It don't matter. Okay, Bill Hodgkinson, the old man's garage. You've got your Jimmy Dale in Ohio. We've got our Jimmy Dale in North Carolina. Does he not look like Jimmy Dale? I mean, you know, if it was a lookalike contest, I think we could win.
704 Jimmy Dale.
There you go. And this is what you like to see, teach them young. This is really great right here. There you go.
Come here, tell us what you think.
Slow.
Huh?
Slow.
Why is it slow?
Didn't have enough in it.
You gonna turn it up?
Yeah, I think so.
Is there anything interesting on that?
No. Secret.
Secret. Do you got secrets too?
See what?
See.
See. Well, went to Mooresville. Got one pass in. Spun a little bit on the second pass, which is what we didn't want to see, but either way, it's fine. But first pass, it was just an A to B tune up. Looking at the 60 foot, the ET, and the mile per hour. The back half mile per hour was pretty daggone impressive. Then it decided to rain.
Yeah.
So.
At least we got 2 in.
Yeah, 2's better than none. Rain
So
come
you
in.
have to stay together. It did.
Yeah. 2 passes, it rains, they called it off, so here we are. So, I guess next video, we got a race coming up now, don't we? Yes. We're ready to race. All right, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.